for some food here. We can use the same chocolate actually to attach it. Let's figure out where we want our burgers. Put a little bit of chocolate on the back. Pop those on. There, maybe put one over here. Okay, and then our little kabobs. You know, we could just kind of, I think what I want to do is set the rest on there and not attach them. That way I can kind of change it if I want to. So we've got our 3 dogs and another kabob. And then we've got our corn. So I think we're end up just going to use 2 pieces of corn. Yeah, I kind of like the way that looks. So we'll just go with the 2 pieces of corn. So we need to attach the rest of this. Not sure if I attached that one. I did. It's just not set yet. Okay, now what we want to do is go ahead and put our handles on. So for this, we've got one here and one here. One is going to go on the lid, like so. So I'll go ahead and use, actually I have to dust it first. I've got new silver. If I do it before I put it on, it's going to go all over the lid, and we don't want that. So new silver, which is a lighter silver dust than what we were using for the grill. We'll go ahead and do some chocolate on the back. I'm going to have to hold that there for not a couple minutes, but until I feel like it's not going to slide down on me. Okay, then we need one on the side of our barbecue. So there's usually a handle kind of coming out. So I'll probably put it right about here. So I'll go ahead and dust this.